Hello everyone, it's me Interstate 290, and today we are doing a season finale suggestion video by Kate Myers. Thank you for the suggestion. I definitely really appreciate it. This is the final season 1 of suggestion videos, so season 2 is coming soon. And I just want to say one thing. Do you know why the mouth plate is kind of chipped? This is part of, I guess, when I was a child, this definitely happened. I do not know why. This is very shocking. I did not know how it happened. But let's forget about that. And by the way, we're doing it. She wants you to review Tow Truck Tom, but I said yes to that, and let's get to the review. This is Tow Truck Tom. He was released at Dynaco 400. He's quite cool. And on the yellow lines, it says Piston Cup Racing Official. You can see that 2005 logo. To say, on the back, he has some siren lights when he could tow a damaged car. But except the King. McQueen pushed the King to the finish line. So, unfortunately, there is no Tow Truck Tom in Car Street, unfortunately. But the good news is, Tow Truck Tom was released 10 years ago in the world of cars, and 9 years ago, he was re-released in the Race-O-Rama. 8 years, Lenticular Eyes. 5 years, Piston Cup. 4 years, Piston Cup. 3 years, I do not know. I guess it's Piston Cup. Not in 2016, not in 17. This year, here's a re-release in Thailand. Actually, one thing I do like about him, I like his towing thing, but unfortunately, it does not hook a car. Let's take an example to Chris Webstovsky. Look at Tow Truck Tom's. Oh, about the bumper. Look what's happening. Do you see this, guys? Actually, let's compare him to Mater. Mater is the Radiator Springs tow truck. Tow Truck Tom is the official Piston Cup tow truck. And Mater's license is A113, but Tow Truck Tom does not have a license, unfortunately. And let's take a comparison. Let's try to do Mater's. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you Kate Myers for this amazing suggestion. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed season 1 of suggestion videos. Season 2 is coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. And by the way, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and have a great day. Goodbye.